that one dance. Yeah.
Son, turn that music off.
You know how to do that?
Did you hear me?
Baby, do it for your grandma. Come on, I'm old and I'm trying to learn it.
Oh my gosh.
Your SOL is in 2 weeks and you need to study.
Oh, Mom, come on. It's 2018. Who needs to study and stuff anyway? Plus, kids are the one making history now.
You do, and get to studying unless you will have no YouTube this week.
Hey, fine. Study.
Do that one dance, baby. That one dance. Yeah.
Hold on. First of all, what are you doing in my room? Where did you come from? And did you not see the sign on the door?
My name is Joseph Rainey, and yes, I saw the sign on the door. I was the first black congressman. I inspired people like Barack Obama and Linwood Holton Jr.
Linwood who? Let me look this up on Google right quick.
Yeah, I know. Okay. I know, okay. I'm gonna have to call you back.
Are you Linwood Holton Jr.?
Of course I am.
Oh.
I was governor of Virginia from 1970 to 1974. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Rude. As I was saying, I took my daughter to a black school in Richmond to help integrate that school. I also helped women and African Americans to get government positions in Virginia. Not many people liked me for what I did, but without my help, your schools would never be the same. Abner, Linwood Holton Jr. I was governor of Virginia. Helped integrate schools. Virginia's first lady to move. The end of separate but equal. Ahead of my time. Switch up on my party to do what was righteous. Many of them didn't like it, but I took the right risk. I kept it equal for all of the people. I gave every person a seat at the table. My people. My people, my people, my people.
I am Madam C.J. Walker. I was the first African American millionaire. My unique hair product, the hot comb, made me very wealthy and improved the lives of not only women of color, but women everywhere. Along with Maggie Walker, the first female bank president, we paved the way for women and African Americans.
Hold on, I know who you are, but who is Maggie Walker?
You don't know who Maggie Walker is?
I just said I don't.
Yes, my name is Maggie. You know that she's bad and bougie, can't bring a Bugatti. Write her checks for Ferrari raise. It's how the cooking party, but she reinvested money back in the community. The community, post-civil war born, free. African American girl for opportunity. Turn nickels into dollars, put dollars back in the city. Reinvested into business, now Meg's making history. Touches on how to save, never save the rage. First female bank president, history made. 1930s came in with it, the Great Depression. But while Maggie's bank stores, her bank doors stayed open. Yes, her name is Maggie. You know that she's bad and bougie, can't be group of Bugatti. Write her checks for Ferrari raise. It's how the cooking party, but she sent money back in the community. The community. Yes, her name is Maggie. You know that she's bad and bougie, can't remember Bugatti. But her checks for Ferrari raise. That's how this cooking party, but she reinvested money back in the community. The community.
I'm Althea Gibson. I was the first African American to play in and win the Wimbledon tennis match. I made it possible for Serena and Venus Williams to be the modern-day tennis champs that people like Jackie Robinson made my career possible.
Who is Jackie Robinson?
You don't know who Jackie Robinson is?
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, stepping onto the diamond, number 42, Jackie
Roosevelt Robinson, not Caruso. Played MLB, first African American to do so. Brooklyn City got my start up in Nevis Stadium. Live by mama's morals, this is what they said about me, bruh. Oh, speed, he brought hard, he hot as a Charizard. MVP, All-Star, CEs times, yes, I'm a beast at this sport. Scouted out as a black who held back his tongue but kept the game alive. Rookie of the year, her series, pinned it back in 55. Jackie Rob home had that tenacious speed on the next level. Made their clouds rise up to the sky like the Tasmanian devil. Walked over the white line in 47th, faced mixed reception. Crashed, I call them all of baseball, striking out its preconception. Crowds, teams, players, even pressure from the home team. Played through it as I brought my best game. No blazing, no phasing as the haters pound on the curses. Home run after home run like I'm spitting these verses. Come on, went through pain, overcame, man, I couldn't leave the game the same. Change the future of the game. Jackie Robinson is my name. Went through pain, overcame, man, I couldn't leave the game the same. Change the future of the game. Jackie Robinson is my name.
Now, son, I know you know who I am. Most people know that I was a famous civil rights leader who marched tirelessly for African Americans to have equal rights, and that I gave the I Have a Dream speech. Do you understand why learning your history is so important? You see, we must never let the dream die. We must keep the dream alive and be grateful for our heroes in history.
Yes, sir, I sure do.
And Linwood said to give this back to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Start studying.